Cars on the Road is an upcoming American computer animated streaming series produced by Pixar for the Disney Plus streaming service based on the Cars franchise and follows the story of anthropomorphic talking vehicles. The main cast includes Owen Wilson as Lightning McQueen and Larry the Cable Guy as Mater. It is set to premiere on September 8, 2022. The series is written by Steve Purcell and produced by Marc Sondheimer. The series follows Lightning McQueen and his best friend Mater on a cross-country road trip across the United States as they journey eastward to attend a wedding for Mater's sister. It is set in a world filled with anthropomorphic talking cars and other vehicles. The episodes will depict characters in different scenarios, for example, them being chased by dinosaur-like cars. It will be set in new locations with new characters, additionally featuring returns of the already established characters from the franchise. On December 10, 2020, Pixar announced on Disney Investors Day that an animated series starring Lightning McQueen and Mater traveling the country while meeting friends, new and old, was in development and that it will be released on Disney Plus in the fall of 2022. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.